Shanghai is intensifying efforts to promote establishment of zero-carbon factories which offset their carbon emissions through energy-saving reengineering techniques and investments in emission reduction projects. Here are the details of these and other stories making headlines across the globe.
Boehringer Ingelheim Shanghai Pharmaceuticals, which runs non-stop pharmaceutical production lines with a capacity of over 80 million boxes of medicine per year, faces a constant demand for air conditioning. This results in high energy consumption, making carbon emission reduction a top priority for the company. To address this challenge, the factory has installed innovative equipment such as heat pumps and heat pipes to recycle excess heat, accompanied by the implementation of the state-of-the-art carbon emission management system. An action plan released by the city government calls for Shanghai to have 150 such manufacturing demonstration farms by the year 2025. Elsewhere, Japanese automaker Toyota Motor has reported 10% jump in global sales for May from a year earlier, benefiting from growth at home and other key markets on a recovery in the supply of chips and other parts. The company sold 838,478 vehicles globally last month, including its luxury car brand Lexus, compared to 761,466 vehicles in May 2022. When sales took a heavy hit from the stuttering parts supply because of the pandemic. Global sales of hybrids grew 25.8% year-on-year to 261,147 units, amounting for just under a third of the total number of vehicles sold worldwide last month. Finally, the early start of the summer sales season in Spain aimed at boosting sales performance is being hindered by the significant rise in living costs caused by sustained high inflation in Europe, making it difficult for businesses to meet their sales targets. In one of the bustling commercial areas in downtown Madrid, small and large shops have started to post sale signs as early as mid-to-late June. A survey by Spain's Consumer Association estimates that Spanish consumers will spend only 89 euros per person during this year's summer sales season. Although inflation in the Eurozone has showed a downward trend, the European Central Bank anticipates a continued high inflation rate for a prolonged period.